Hi guys, welcome to the second episode of Captain's Corner. Last episode you saw what happened. I hope you all enjoyed that episode.
I always be your captain.
So leading up to the CSK game, the preparation was really good. But just that on the game day against CSK, we knew it's not going to be easy game for us. We started off really well. We got good start. It's just that we failed to capitalize on starts. It was a lot of learning for us in that game. We understood where we went wrong and what we can do as a team to come out, as a strong team. So after our first loss against CSK, we had few days in between to understand what we need to do as a team. We regrouped. We understood what we need to do on that kind of a pitch. We spoke about the change-ups. We spoke about as a batting group, if one batsman is in, he needs to carry on, especially the top four batsmen. Whoever is in has spent some time in the middle, needs to carry on and bat for a longer period of time. Everything went according to the plan, exactly what we decided. We knew we had to work hard, stick to our plans, and I think we did that pretty well. Okay, done with the cricket talks. Now, as promised in the first episode, I'm going to take you behind the scene and make you meet another special person of the team. He's been with the team for a while now and has worked really, really hard to make sure that the players are fresh and raring to go. So guys, this is our physio room and we've got a great setup. As you can see, this compartment is all about medical facilities, like we have tapes, pain relief spray, sanitizer, which has been used these days quite a bit. And we've got a ultrasound machine here as well, like if a player is going through a niggle or something, if you want to see something and you don't want to take a risk of going to the hospital, we can just do right here. I'll take you to one of the members of our support staff who have played a very important role in our team's success, Mr. Amit Shah. 11 साल से मैं जानता हूँ अमित शाह को. We've had great relationship together. आपका experience कैसा रहा मुंबई इंडियंस में? आप जब आए इधर, कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर?
Rohit, to be honest, this is like one of the best setup ever I had, working environment professionally. And I always treat everyone as a family member, but this is the most comfortable environment we have. So we feel like we are at home and we are working among our family members. So it's amazing.
अलग-अलग players आते हैं, अलग-अलग injury problem लेके आते हैं, अलग-अलग stiffness होता है.
Correct.
So how do you manage that?
Every player सबका अलग अलग डिमांड होता है, अपना बॉडी का टाइप का डिमांड. सो हमें वो देखना है कि आपकी रिकवरी व्हेन यू गो टू द फील्ड अप टू द मार्क हो, in terms of physical as well as mental. So what we do is we work on your muscles. We try to keep you guys fit. आपको अपने बॉडी के बारे में सोचना ना पड़े जब आप फील्ड में हो. You just can focus on the game. That is our main role.
So guys, this is not any luxurious spa massages that you get. This is
Correct.
Very sports centric, sports related. So they go particularly very deep into the muscle.
Very technical, very scientific, yeah.
We've got a fast bowler lying here, Mr. Dhaval Kulkarni. He's taking a deep tissue massage because he had a very long session. So I guess there's some sort of stiffness.
So he's currently working on his upper back and the lower back. So Dhaval is having many practice sessions and he's trying to recover himself and getting out of his stiffness. So basically he's working on his lower back.
Dhaval, how do you feel? Matlab, the massage, how much of an importance it is to take regular sports specific massage?
Yeah, it is very important being a fast bowler. You tend to get tight, stiff, and the muscles a lot tensed when you bowl, when you are on the field. So the best way to recover is get a proper massage.
By the time the game finishes and we come back to the hotel, it's pretty late. It's almost midnight. These guys do a great work, great job behind the scenes, and we must appreciate that.
Thanks for that, Rohit. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Great work. So it was fun talking to Mr. Shah. He gave you a lot of insights. We saw the special plays where they work, and they are also a very, very crucial member of this team. Now time to answer a few of your questions.
Rohit sir, as you are master of hitting sixes, can you please give us some tips of hitting long sixes?
Dear Arav, I love your question. It's very good. But what I will advise you right now is to play straight drive, cover drive, how to defend the ball, how to leave the ball, because that is the basics of batting. So I want you to do the basics of your batting first, and then I'll advise you how to hit sixes. I'll be here for you, don't worry.
Congratulations, Rohit, on completing 10 years with Mumbai Indians. Do you remember the playing 11 of your first match for Mumbai Indians?
Very good question, but I'll try. I think I remember it. My first playing 11, Davy Jacobs and Sachin Tendulkar opened the innings. Number 3 was Ambati Raidu. Number 4 was Rohit Sharma. Number 5 was Kieron Pollard. 6 was James Franklin. 7 was R. Satish. 8 was Harbhajan Singh. 9 was Ali Murtaza. 10 was Lasith Malinga, and 11 was Munaf Patel. I remember Malinga took 5 wickets in that game. He was man of the match, and I was some 20 odd not out, 25 odd not out. That was my first game, and I clearly remember it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Captain's Corner. I'm going to keep bringing you very exciting stuff from the team environment, team dressing room. We finished our 2 games in Abu Dhabi now. It's time to hit the roads, and we're going to play in Dubai now, the next game. It's going to be a long travel from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. We are all ready for it. And we've got a very fun team activity session planned. Watch this space for more.